Welcome to Section 6, Essential Debugging and Troubleshooting Tips. This section will be looking at the following topics: how to resolve common Ionic 4 errors, faster testing and debugging on a device or emulator, the essentials of in-browser debugging, how to set up remote debugging on Android using the Chrome browser, and finally, how to set up remote debugging on iOS using the Safari browser. There is a lot of exciting content to cover. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we are covering common bugs in Ionic 4. We will start off with how to resolve any Gradle not installed issues. I am going to demonstrate how to resolve a common build time error that occurs when you're trying to build your Ionic app for Android using Cordova. You may see an error stating that you need to install Gradle or include it in your path, and this error reoccurs even after reinstalling Gradle Android Studio. So let's reproduce the error by attempting to build our Ionic 4 app for Android. Let's use the command Ionic Cordova run Android. So here we have our error message. Could not find an installed version of Gradle, either in Android Studio or on your system to install the Gradle wrapper. Please include Gradle in your path or install Android Studio. So I already have Android Studio installed and it is upgraded, but I am still getting this error. So to resolve this, we need to go to the Gradle website, which is gradle.org. So here we are on the gradle.org website where we want to download Gradle. So let's click on this Install Gradle button. When the page loads, we want to scroll down to Installing Manually. Here is the Installing Manually section, and we want to click to download the binary-only version of Gradle. So you will be downloading a zip file, and you want to unzip that onto your hard drive. Here on my C drive, I have the unzipped file downloaded from the Gradle website. So let's go inside and into bin. And what we want to do is to add this binary folder inside Gradle to our system path. If we go back to the Gradle website and scroll down to step 3, you can see instructions for system environment configuration for all operating systems. So I'm going to be following the Windows users instruction. So what we need to do is to go to File Explorer. So this is the folder where we have our binary. I'm just going to copy that path. And we want to right click on this PC and then select Properties. And we want to go to Advanced System Settings. And down here to Environment Variables. Right here under the System Variables, we want to select Path and then click Edit. And then we want to create a new entry. And we want to add the path that corresponds to the folder with the Gradle binary. So that's the path we copied from earlier. So I already have this entry added. So I'll just click OK. And then OK throughout. All right. And then for our system settings to take full effect, we need to restart Windows. So let's do that, and then we'll be back to try building our application again. So here I am after having restarted Windows, and I'm back in my application folder. So let's try building it for Android once more. So of course we're using the command Ionic Cordova run Android. So this will build our APK, and hopefully we won't be getting the Gradle error anymore. So this is round about the point where it was failing. And you can see here, it's already starting a Gradle daemon, meaning that everything went all right. So let's just let it fully compile and launch the emulator, and then we'll be absolutely sure. So there we go. It says build successful, and the app has been built. The emulator has launched. And there we go. Our app is successfully building.